The trial involving the first person to be charged under Bennie's law is set to start tomorrow. William Brown is accused of negligently making a firearm available to a minor, resulting in the death of a teen in Cuesta. News 13's Jessica Barron is in the Newsplex with more.
Police say William Brown's son was hanging out with friends at a home last year when a 13-year-old girl was shot and killed after the son got a hold of a gun. I spoke with the district attorney overseeing the case, who says it could set a precedent for future cases.
Well, a lot of the pressure comes from the tragic loss of life. I mean, a young lady has been taken and it's impacted a community, a family.
That was District Attorney Marcus Montoya saying how this upcoming trial will be a challenging one. 39-year-old William Brown is the first person being tried under Bennie's law for negligently making a firearm available to a minor, resulting in death.
This new piece of legislation, not having any guidance, no precedent, no authority, no real blueprint, having seen it done before. I think that's the most unnerving part, if you will, about trying a case like this.
According to state police, 4 juveniles were at Brown's home listening to music when his 14-year-old son pulled out a gun and shot a teen girl in July 2023. William Brown was then arrested under Bennie's law. Without previous cases, state attorneys are taking precautions and looking to other states for guidance.
Many of us are familiar with the case out of Michigan where the parents were both prosecuted for involuntary manslaughter. Our statute does not read similarly to Michigan's, and so we're pulling from other case law from other states where parents have been prosecuted for situations like this.
Representative Pamela Herndon was the lawmaker behind Bennie's law, which passed last year. She says the bill's main purpose is to keep minors safe.
What is important to notice is that this bill is being utilized for the purpose for which it was intended. If indeed there is a situation where a firearm was not stored safely, this piece of legislation will come into place. And we want people to remember that there is a possible penalty if you don't store your guns safely.
Jury selection is set to begin tomorrow, followed by the state presenting its case. Brown is facing a 4th-degree felony, which comes with 18 months of maximum incarceration.
We just hope to put on a professional and prepared case, let the facts and law fall as they may, and then let this piece of legislation evolve as it should.
Brown's son, Porfirio Brown, was previously on trial for a 2nd-degree murder charge related to that shooting, but that trial ended in a hung jury in March. Back to you.
All right, thanks, Jessica. Porfirio is also expected to go back to trial in August.